How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app TikTok. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. Also, what you have to do is update your TikTok app to its latest version. To do that, close this. Launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and then search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If you see the option of Open, that means your app is already up to date. Then you can check if profile view option is available in your TikTok account or not. Also, what you can do is close this, launch your TikTok app, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're in the profile page, at the top right corner, you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Head over to the option of settings and privacy. Now here you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down and then click on report a problem. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option of submit a report. Now here you have to explain about the issue that profile view option is not showing in your device, and then you can send it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TikTok profile view option not showing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.